All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at Maker. So, right off the bat, you can see that there's bearish divergence on the RSI for Maker. So, we have this huge candle spawning in here, and it looks like, the fact that you're over your 200-day moving average is a good thing. There is 2 hours left on the candle here. The last time we were looking at Maker was back here, so we came down. Our little box that we drew for some reason held. And you can see we kind of bounced along the fib levels, the 21, the 50 for support, and just kind of grinded higher. So it eventually, kept getting stuck at the 200. It is now over it. So hopefully this doesn't turn into a giant wick here and this thing starts falling off the table. So you can see it got stuck right at the 786 at 965. So that is your big price to beat right now. So if the buyers step in the next couple of hours and this thing starts moving, you're looking at a 2% to get over that 786, and then your next stop is 1153 up here for almost a 22% move from where you are right now. But if the sellers step in and that does in fact turn into a wick, you really need to hold your 618 for about 11% drop at 839, and then ultimately you really need to hold your 200-day moving average as support. You're looking at about a 14% drop down here to this 808 level. So your 200 really needs to hold for this thing to be considered officially bullish and to actually push up to these higher price targets. Even if you get stuck here and kind of go sideways for a minute and then back up, you really want to hold the 200-day moving average as support. But as of now, MACD has a lot of momentum. RSI looks good, even though there is bearish divergence here. So this may very well end up being your top, and you may very well end up coming back down. Heikin is printing green, so that looks good there. So just always be aware. Don't ever be afraid to take profit, because you're getting stuck. You have bearish divergence here, and you're in crypto, so it could always just fall off the table in a heartbeat. So, just always be aware of that. Take some profit off the table, let some ride, do whatever you want to do. This is not financial advice. The only thing I can do is point out what the chart is telling us. So it looks good for now. You're up 19.5 on the week, and just watch this price up here. If you can push over the 786, then you'll probably grind up here to 1153. If you sell off, you need to hold 200, and eventually you'll push higher. So maybe take profit here, let it pull back, let it find support, and then DCA back in, and then ride it back up. But just watch those prices, and it'll all tell you where it's going. So if you fall back below the 200, this is your top, and you're coming back down. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.